All right, this is example 3.6.4. It says a ball is thrown up at 10 meters per second. How long does it take to reach the highest point in its path? So we are trying to solve for time in this case. And we know it's going to be if that, because the ball will be accelerated as you throw it up. And then we also say VI equals VF equals delta D, A, and T. Now, when you throw a ball up in the air, it is still under the influence of gravity. So if you take this ball and you throw it up with an initial velocity of 10 meters per second, realize that as soon as you let go of that ball, gravity is acting on it down. Gravity is always acting on it down, even when the ball is moving upwards. Okay, that's one of the biggest problems that people have is they say, well, the ball's moving up, it can't be moving or accelerating downwards. It is. Every second it gets more and more negative. So what we're going to do is we're going to throw a ball up, it's going to reach its highest point, and then it's going to come back down. So based on this situation, it tells us that the initial velocity is 10, and we know that gravity is negative 9.8. We know we're trying to solve for the time, okay? But we need one other thing, and that one other thing is the final velocity. And what that is when you throw something, when it reaches the top of its path, it's going to go up, 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 stop, and then start to come back down. So the key is that it stops. So the final velocity is 0. So we're not particularly interested in displacement. So since we're not interested in displacement, we can cancel it out. The equation that we have that does not have D is A equals VF minus VI over T. Or in our case, it's going to say A. We're going to go ahead and switch these two terms. When you switch those two terms, you get T is equal to VF minus VI over A. Or 0 minus 10 divided by negative 9.8. Okay, now this is one of those things that if you mess up a sign or something like that, you're going to get a negative time. And negative time doesn't make any sense. So negative 10 divided by negative 9.8 tells me that it'll reach the top of its path at about 1.02 seconds.